Turkish Export Center. Sektörel faaliyetlerinizin, üretimlerinizin veya tedarik ettiğiniz ürünlerin yurt dışı pazarlarında satılmasını ister misiniz? Turkish Export Center, ihracatta lider marka olmak isteyen ve globalleşmek isteyen her firmayı bünyesine katmakta. Turkish Export Center, bünyesindeki tüm firmalara dünyanın farklı bölgelerinden tedarikçiler ve satıcılarla işbirliği kurmalarını sağlıyor, bayilik ve franchise verme fırsatı oluşturuyor. Türk üreticilerin dış ticaret yapmasını sağlıyor, uluslararası ticaret ilişkilerini geliştiriyor ve satış potansiyellerini artırıyoruz. Tüm bu ayrıcalıklara sahip olmak için hemen turkishexportcenter.com.tr adresini ziyaret edin ve yeni nesil küresel toptan ticaret yapma amacıyla kurulan Turkish Export Center'a üye olun, günden güne büyüyen ihracat deneyimini siz de yaşayın.
Turkish Export Center, which leads the sectors in exports, gives you the opportunity to become an agency in your own region. When you become a regional agency of Turkish Export Center, you can be an intermediary for all companies that want to export from Turkey. You can reach all our member vendors. You can be an intermediary for those who want to get distributorship, dealership, or franchising from your region. To become our agency, apply to turkishexportcenter.com right now and make your transactions free of charge.
يقدم لك تركش إكسبورت سنتر الرائد في قطاعات التصدير الفرصة لتصبح وكيل في منطقتك. عندما تصبح وكيلا إقليميا لتركش إكسبورت سنتر، يمكنك أن تكون وسيطا لجميع الشركات التي ترغب في التصدير من تركيا، ويمكنك الوصول إلى جميع أعضائنا، ويمكنك أن تكون وسيطا لأولئك الذين يرغبون في الحصول على الوكالة شرطة للتوزيع أو الامتياز من منطقتك. لتصبح وكالتنا، تقدم بطلب إلى turkishexportcenter.com الآن وقم بإجراءاتك مجانا.
Турецкий экспортный центр, ведущий сектор экспорта, дает вам возможность стать агентством в своем регионе. Когда вы являетесь региональным агентством турецкого экспортного центра, вы можете быть посредником для всех компаний, которые хотят экспортировать из Турции, вы можете связаться со всеми нашими поставщиками-членами, вы можете быть посредником для тех, кто хочет получить дистрибьюторскую деятельность, франчайзинг или франчайзинг в вашем регионе. Чтобы стать нашим агентством, подайте заявку на turkishexportcenter.com прямо сейчас и совершайте сделки бесплатно.
Devenez une agence dans votre région locale avec le centre d'exportation turc, qui est le leader en matière d'exportation. Il vous est possible de servir d'intermédiaire pour toutes les entreprises turques qui souhaitent exporter depuis la Turquie, ainsi que pour celles qui souhaitent devenir distributeurs, franchiseurs ou franchisés de votre région. Si vous êtes intéressé à devenir une agence de turkishexportcenter.com, vous pouvez le faire dès maintenant en remplissant une demande.
Turkish Export Center, das in der Exportbranche führend ist, bietet Ihnen die Möglichkeit, ein Agent in Ihrer Region zu werden. Wenn Sie ein regionaler Agent von Turkish Export Center werden, können Sie ein Vermittler für alle Unternehmen sein, die aus der Türkei exportieren wollen. Sie können alle Verkäufer erreichen, die unsere Mitglieder sind, und Sie können ein Vermittler für diejenigen werden, die einen Vertriebsvertrag abschließen und ein Franchise in Ihrem nahen Netzwerk erwerben wollen. Bitte besuchen Sie jetzt turkishexportcenter.com, um unser Agent zu werden und die entsprechenden Verfahren kostenlos durchzuführen.
an incredibly rich historical and cultural legacy, breathtaking natural beauties, with a climate that lets you experience the four seasons simultaneously. An incredible country, Turkey. However, there is more to Turkey's importance and potential than this. It is incomparable as the bridge between Asia and Europe. It is a pioneer with its accumulated democracy and free market economy. It is powerful with its young, trained and industrious population. With its competitive structure, with quality-oriented production, with its export-based growth performance. A regional power with steadily increased brand name value in international networks. Europe's 6th and the world's 17th largest economy. And the sector which has made a major impact in Turkey's exports, one that has rocketed our country with the sweat of its brow over the past 10 years. The machinery production industry. The engine might have been a global giant, the heart of high added value exports, of competitive production and of technological development, a fundamental sector which is the locomotive of more than 20 job branches. Undoubtedly, this success is not coincidental. Behind it are thousands of industrious, innovative, meticulous facilities, developed engineering skills, and technology-intensive investments, the capability of being able to respond quickly and flexibly in the face of market developments, to manufacture high-quality and durable machinery at every level from a technological standpoint. Well, it is for these reasons that Turkish machinery is operating smooth as silk in 200 countries throughout the world today. It has the capability to respond to the needs of all industries and sectors with its technological infrastructure and production diversity that it possesses. CNC lathes, CNC processing centers, CNC plasma cutters, and when it comes to sheet metal processing machinery, Turkey has the production power to compete with the world's most industrialized countries. Cement sector production equipment, concrete batching plants. Turkey is synonymous with the production base of 5 continents in mining sector vehicles. When it comes to the production of lifting and handling machinery, cranes, mobile cranes, on-vehicle equipment, forklifts and elevators, Turkey is a global star that bites even the fingers of technological giant. When it comes to the manufacture of air conditioning plants, reactors and boilers, burners and furnaces, pumps and valve production, Turkey has the power and performance to amaze the entire world. With the exportation of all agricultural machinery that handle planting, harvesting and separation processes, as well as milling machines that are unique for grinding and processing, Turkey is a global giant. When it comes to processing food and beverage products, bottling and the production of all packaging equipment, our country has the most modern industrial strength of Europe, Africa, and Asia. When it comes to manufacturing thread and weaving technologies, garment items and home textile products equipment, dyeing and finishing plants, Turkey's advanced facilities have the most advanced manufacturing potential in the world. When it comes to plastic processing machinery, rubber and artificial rubber processing plants, recycling and welding equipment, extrusion machines, composite presses and molds, Turkey is the fastest developing country in the world. When it comes to hydraulics, mechanic presses and cylinders, robotic automation systems, turbines, turbojets, rolling press and casting machinery, and mold production, Turkey is the world's most competitive country. When it comes to air compressors, vacuum pumps, bearings, washing and drying machines, Turkey is the leader country that the rest of the world follows in amazement. When it comes to manufacturing its own engines, overland and railway vehicles, ships, aviation and aerospace equipment, fiber optic communications infrastructure, ultra-sensitive calibration instruments, data processing machinery, defense industry needs such as rockets, tanks and arms and ammunition, Turkey is one of the world's most powerful countries in the world with a vast potential and dynamic vision. Turkey has risen rapidly up the ranks of machinery exporters in the world over the past 10 years. It is amongst the world's top 4 countries with the highest percentage increase in machinery exports. This is a tangible indication that the sector is starting to close the gap with the industrialized nations. The most important reference is the fact that 80% of Turkish machinery is exported to industrialized nations. We have the utmost trust in our machinery and components exporters. The horizons are wide open. Eyes are fixed skyward. It is 100 over 100. The machinery sector is sprinting towards $100 billion in exports.